goofy.
I know, right? Leave me alone. I just want to be sad.
Cheer up, it's a beautiful day. Cheer up, big guy. We're here for you.
All right, time to get this workout started. Feel the burn. Yeah, I did it. Look at me go.
Wow, look at those muscles.
He's so strong. Can I touch him? Oh my goodness, he's incredible.